Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recover vitamin D deficiency. First, it's important to understand what vitamin D does for your body. It's crucial for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. Many people experience symptoms like tiredness or muscle aches without realizing the cause. A quick blood test can easily determine your current vitamin D levels, providing a clear starting point for your recovery journey. One of the most natural ways to boost your vitamin D is through sunlight exposure. Aim for about 10 to 30 minutes of direct sun on your skin most days, especially during peak hours, but always protect yourself from sunburn. Incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your diet is also key. Think about adding fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, and look for dairy products and cereals fortified with vitamin D. For many, dietary changes and sun exposure alone aren't enough to correct a significant deficiency. This is where supplements come in. Your doctor can recommend the right dosage, which might range from 1,000 to 4,000 international units daily, depending on your specific needs. It's vital to follow their guidance and not self-prescribe. Regular follow-up blood tests will help track your progress and ensure you reach optimal levels safely. Beyond specific treatments, adopting a healthy lifestyle significantly contributes to long-term vitamin D health. Maintaining a healthy weight and engaging in regular physical activity can improve your body's ability to utilize vitamin D effectively. Remember, consistency is key for sustained benefits. Also, for some great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Prioritizing these habits will help you maintain optimal vitamin D levels and feel your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.